guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaselina and I do all kinds of videos. If I wake up and I feel like I want to do a travel vlog, I'll do it. If I wake up and I feel like I want to do a cooking vlog, I'll do it. So for today's mood vlog, I want to restore this old wig. It's a wig, it's a synthetic wig, and yesterday I was looking into some YouTube videos and I happened to come across a video that was showing how to restore your old wigs into new, to look like they are new. And this wig, the last time I wore it was last year, because as you can see, it's quite a mess, and I do like it because I like colors. So if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, hit on this corner, the red button, or maybe on this corner, and hopefully it will work. Yes, we are in, as you can see from the background, from the mirror, I'm in the washroom, and I don't have a manicure head. I'll just use what I have. I do use whatever I have so to work, so I'll just place you guys in an icon. I'll have to bend because I'm 5.4, and I want you to see this sweetheart here. So guys, for the things that you need for this video, it's your old synthetic wig, any type of shampoo. I'm using this because it's almost over. I'm using it's egg shampoo. You need a comb. This is not the best comb that you need. You need a wig comb, but because I don't have that, I'll just use this one. And you need this one, and also you need some fabric softener. I do have conditioner, but as per the video that I was watching, he said that you don't need to use a conditioner, you have to use a fabric softener. I don't know why. I'll have to go back and watch and know why. So guys, let's get into the video. So you'll not see my face by the end of the video, you'll just see my face, alright? Oh guys, and just in case you're curious what I'm using, this is just a tissue holder. I'm using as my money. As you can see, it's holding steady. I don't have to struggle. You'll just have to part your wig into some small section and detangle the end, and you have to start from the bottom, going yourself up way. After some minutes, I don't know how many minutes I've done, I've finished. I just detangled this baby. Just see how it's full. It's so full. I don't know if the curls that it had before they'll come back. I don't know. Let's just try. Either way, if they don't come back, I just like how it is like this. It's so full. I wouldn't mind be wearing it like that, but we have to work on this. We have to work on this so that they can be straight, okay? So after this process, you'll just have to take it to warm water, not hot water, warm water. You just soak it with some shampoo for like 5 minutes. Oh yeah, the curls are coming back. Okay, I don't have a problem. So you just have to soak it in warm water like 5 minutes so that all the oils, the hairspray can come off, alright? So I'll just soak it here. I don't know if you can see. Let's move you guys here. Yes. So I'll just close this and fill this with warm water. Not hot, not cold, just warm. Okay, some shampoo. We'll put our baby in. I'll just leave it there for 5 minutes and then I'll come back and change the water and repeat the second time, and then we'll just finish off, okay? So I just removed the first water. This is the second water. I just did it quickly so that I can brush off the oils and not have to stick to the, I will not have to make this video so long. So I just scrub the cap. I guess it's okay now. I'll just scrub this one. I'll just cleanse it off 1 or 2 times more before I finish off with the fabric softener. And for fabric softener, I have to make it cold with cold water, not warm water. So I'll just put the fabric softener and then I'll show you guys the end of it. I'll just leave it here because it will not dry right now, and tomorrow maybe I'm going out and I come back, I'll show you guys how it is. Okay, so bye.
When we're with our friends, it's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show.